Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Epson EcoTank ET-2850 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free Supertank printer with scan, with copy, and automatic two-sided printing, duplex. In this case, it comes in the black version. It's also available in a white version. You can choose what you prefer. Innovative cartridge-free printing comes by Epson. High-capacity ink tanks mean no more tiny, expansive ink cartridges. Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles make filling easy and, of course, worry-free. And dramatic saving on the replacement ink. We save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges. That's enough to print up to 7,500 pages in black or 6,000 color pages, equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. And stress-free printing. Up to 2 years of ink come in the box to you for viewer out of ink frustrations and zero cartridge waste. By using an EcoTank printer, we can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. And, of course, an impressive print quality. Unique micro piezo head-free technology and pigment black ink produce extremely sharp text, plus impressive color photos and graphics on virtually any paper type. I have a built-in scanner and a copier, plus automatic two-sided printing, a high-resolution flatbed scanner, and a color display to easy document copying and navigation. The paper saving out to two-sided printing. And modern connectivity. Features wireless, plus hands-free voice-activated printing. Easily print from our smart device, with the intuitive Epson Smart Pen Lab, for example. And it's designed for reliability because it comes included a full unit replacement ink bottles. And here comes genuine Epson ink for a genuine Epson quality. The Epson strongly recommends that, of course, we use of the genuine ink to ensure optimal printing quality and performance. Uses of non-genuine ink could cause damage not covered under the printing's LTD warranty, of course. But on the market, a lot of replacement inks available, so you can make a bigger, cheaper printing because of the ink with that Epson ET-2850 EcoTank. This is the perfect family printer with wireless print, copy, and scan. And we save money with that. We make a good job. We save up to 90% with each replacement ink set. One set of Epson EcoFit bottles is equal to about 90 ink cartridges. That's cool, because that's cool for our pocket. That's cool for our earth. That's cool for our nerves. Because we have a refillable ink tank for zero cartridge waste. The EcoTank owners helps to reduce millions of pounds of plastic from going into landfills. And at the same time, it comes with a unique Epson Precision Core head-free technology. Extremely sharp text with impressive color photos and graphics on virtually any paper type you can use. And it's designed for a good time. Because it's not so big, it fits on your desktop, it fits in your living room if it's necessary, because it's everything on board what we need. We have a built-in USB and a wireless connectivity, plus voice-activated printing via Alexa, Google Assistant, and of course Siri. And we have a 1/4-inch color display, for easy setup and navigation. Auto two-side printing saves paper and enhance, of course, the productivity. And the built-in scanner in the copier. Easily scan and copy our photos and, of course, documents. And exclusive eco-fit ink bottle design, uniquely and, of course, keyed for easy filling. And if you like, we print from our smartphone or tablet. We print natively from our smartphone or tablet, or use the intuitive Epson Smart Pen Lab for iOS and for Android. So this is a multifunction printer which comes with a lot of stuff what we like. Our home needs a printer that's fast, affordably, easy to use, and it has great features. That's why Epson developed the EcoTank ET-2850, an innovative cartridge-free solution that uses high-capacity, easily refillable ink tanks. So we will worry less about running out of the ink, and saves a lot of replacement ink too. The ET-2850 features outstanding print quality, out-duplex printing, a high-resolution flatbed scanner, and a convenient colored display. This making it the perfect family printer. Actual savings in cost will vary considerably, of course, based on the print tasks, the print volume, and the usage conditions. With savings and the cost per ISO page are based on the cost of replacement ink bottles and the cost of enough standard cartridges to achieve the total page yield of the bottle using the MSRP USD, okay? And yields for Epson standard capacity ink cartridges for similar features Epson consumer inkjet printers as of the May 2021. Part of the ink family, because this is cartridge-free printing. Really cool, really easy. You can use the bottles with the ink to get the tank in or at your Epson EcoTank refilled. If it is refilled, we go through the setup process. For this setup process, it is recommended to use a smartphone, for example, and download the Epson app. And then you can comfortably set up this device. Approximately 20 minutes or something. Connect it with your Wi-Fi network, for example. And then it is an AirPrint possibility printer. And it prints via a smartphone, tablet, and so on via the app, the Epson app. And of course, that's easy, and this is smart. The Epson EcoTank ET-2850 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free Supertank printer with scan, copy, and auto two-sided printing is a really good device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.